Hi guys, and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to add credit card as payment method on Shopify. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and go to myshopify.com and make sure you have already logged in. Now to formally start, the first thing that you need to do is open settings with the gear icon on the lower left. Once you are in the settings window, follow my next few steps. First, click on Payments. Once Payments finishes loading, there will be options over here. Let's first go to Payment Providers and click on the button that says Choose a Provider. This one over here. Now wait for the window to finish loading. In here, you're going to search for the payment provider. In this case, let's look for Stripe. Now click on Stripe. It might be unavailable in my country, but in your case, it should all be good. In here, you can also add your very own preference. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.